gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing something I actually picked up on sale. It's one of the monthly subscription boxes, a mystery box. This one is called SPIRITU. It's Spirit, S-P-I-R-I-T, or Spiritai. Spiritai? It's like a U. I'm not sure. I like it. I'm not really sure. Spiritai? Yeah, Spiritai. I'm not Spiritu. Anyway, I got it because I saw an advertisement online. This was a discounted box, so I went ahead and picked it up to see really what it had to offer. As a result, as you guys may know from my previous videos, I try to stay away from any sort of spoiler alerts, any sort of box previews, things of that nature. I discovered, or at least I saw posts online about what was inside the box, and I will be brutally honest with you, I was a bit upset in my infinite spare time to try and really reorganize my studio space and rethink this space and, you know, get some furniture in here and kind of organize things and blah blah blah. And I realized that I still had the box sitting there. So I figured we should discover this together and I should really put my judgment aside and think for myself. Now, things I do know about this box, it is, I believe, a quarterly subscription box, not a monthly subscription. I do know that the artwork on here changes, and I was really drawn to this artwork. I thought it was cute at first, and then I kind of realized her pants were open, and then I just thought that was a little much, but this part is really nice. I do really like that a lot. We'll see. Let me go ahead and crack open the labels, like I said. Man, it's taped really well. Goodness. So we have it opened, and pop it open and see what it has. So, whew. I'm dead serious, y'all. Oh. It stinks in here. Oh god. Ooh. Okay. Other than the smell. Whew. First impression, I do like the, I can still smell it. I do, ooh. I can't even. Oh my god, this is so bad. I like the color on the inside. Oh, so small. Oh, comes with, you know, the little insert. I'm gonna toss that aside. Y'all know I don't like that. Another coupon. I'm not gonna pay attention to that. I kind of wonder if something leaked in here because the scent is so strong. Oh, okay. The downside is definitely going to be the smell of whatever's in here is definitely, you know, it is. That was an honest gag reflex, you guys. That was, whew, and I can still smell it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do my best to get through this. So it is sealed with, again, the white tissue paper, and we do have the little logo. I thought it was Spiritu. Yeah, it is. Look it. My Spiritu TU. Okay. So it's not an I at the end. I am really glad I just got the one-time box so far, but again, I'm trying to put the judgment aside. Okay. Here we go. So this is the inside of the box. It looks like we have, I'm just gonna put this over here because, this keychain. That's really cute. It looks like it came from Peru, and it says sourced from Peru. It is honored to feature this keychain handmade by local female textile artisans from Peru. Specifically OLLANTAYTAMBO and KUELAP, Peru. We are proud to support these artisans through Sustainable Preservation Initiative, SPI. SPI empowers local entrepreneurs, over 85% of whom are women, to alleviate poverty and preserve their past by creating jobs that are dependent on the preservation of culture heritage sites. Aw, well, I like that. I like that it has a little story. It has little beadworks here on the side. It's very cute, very bohemian. So here's the rest of it. I think what I'm smelling here is the dove. So I was sad that this is, you know, I think a $50 box and you're getting dove. Dove. As in, I can go to Target, Walmart, probably Walgreens down the street and buy dove. This is why I didn't like the box. I'll be 100% honest. I was like, this, no offense to Dove by any means. I'm gonna call it drugstore brand. It's nothing special. I don't care about it. It's nothing unique or something off the wall. I feel like Dove is just kind of a whatever brand. Like, it's, to me, in my opinion, it's just been around and I don't care. And I was like, I got this box on discount, thank goodness. But if I had paid $50 or whatever it is per quarter for this box, and I open it up and find a $6 bottle of Dove, I'd be pissed. Oh, I'd be so angry. Heck no. So this is going inside, and I'm pretty sure this is what I smell, unless there's something else in here that leaked. Okay, go away, please. Ooh. This box seriously reeks of like hair dye or something. I don't know what it is, but oh my god, it smells. Oh, go away. Okay. Next up, we do have a pretty cute set of gold hoops from Margaret Elizabeth, which I think I own a bracelet of hers. So I believe, if this is the brand I'm thinking of, it is a woman-owned company. She has lots of cute little things like this. So here's just a pair of really simple hoop earrings. I like them a lot. They're very universal, go with a lot of stuff. They look very thin and not like clunky or like they'll be heavy wearing on your ear. So next up, we have, what is this? We have Clinique. Okay, Clinique tends to be a more higher end brand. This is High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara in 01 Black. So we have a Clinique mascara. I will not be swatching that now because I do have my makeup on already, but maybe in an upcoming video. Maybe this is what leaked. This feels kind of weird. Maybe not. Actually, maybe this packaging is just strange. Okay, so this one, the packaging feels really sticky, but also kind of like a rubber substance, rubbery like. It's Donna Karan Cashmere Mist deodorant. Oh, okay, that's different. I didn't know DK made deodorant, but sure. But it is very rubbery and, like I said, it's really sticky. So I don't know, maybe the Dove leaked on it. Yeah, because that smells like hair product. That doesn't smell like deodorant. Oh, I shouldn't have smelled my hand. Oh, gross. It still reeks. Okay. We're gonna get through this. I can do this. I can do this. This is not a big deal. Alright, this one I'm curious about. This is Halo Color Lab Solange. Not sure what it is. So it looks like it has a slider box here. I'm gonna guess it's nail polish, but I could be wrong. Oh, is it foundation? Oh, ew! Okay, hold on. This is gonna be a serious thing. Okay, first of all, I took it out of the box, and can you guys see that? It's separated, and it's yellow on the bottom. This might quite possibly be expired. Okay, I still think it's a nail polish. I'm not 100% sure. But whatever this is, it's separated. And you can see the swirls and nasty grossness in it. Now it is possible, it just needs to be shaken. I'm not 100% sure and I don't really feel comfortable opening this right now. But I'm gonna pull it out and see if we can figure out if it's a polish or what is it. It legitimately doesn't say. So I'm gonna say that it says polish on it. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's nail polish. 12-month lifespan, not tested on animals. I don't even know. Oh yeah, it's nail polish and it's really, really runny. Yeah, it's just drip. Rip. Okay. We're gonna close that and I'm gonna have to say a hard pass. That's probably maybe that's what smelled. Oh god. Oh, I should not have opened that. Oh. Okay. Shake it off and let's try again. Yeah, that's gotta go. That is 100%. No, that's gonna leave. I don't know if it expired. I don't know what happened. This box fucking smells. This is disgusting. And when I say it's been sitting, it hasn't been sitting for like a year and some change. No, it's been sitting for like 2 months maybe. I just got busy and I had things to do. Like, oh, wait, okay. There we go. Oh, here's one that we know. This is, oh, even this box smells. But it's the other stuff like that got to it and it made this box smell. Oh, I'm sorry. Bodyography. Sorry. Bodyography skin. This looks like some eye masks. The language of beauty. Instant lift eye mask. So it's those little things that go underneath here. Because this is actually going to be really good. It's just the box that's kind of stinky. So maybe if we air it out a bit, maybe it won't smell so much. Let's hope, okay? Alright, that looks like there's something else in here. Please let it not be ruined. No, that box is... Oh, I just closed the lid and I got a whiff of it. It smells like... Ugh. Oh, okay. And then it looks like we got... a shopping bag? Well, I mean, I know it's a backpack, but I've never heard of this brand. Maybe some of you have. You do tell me all about it, because I don't know why I care. This says, think it, want it, get it. And the get it is really hard to read. And then the brand is Zano. Zano? It's Z-A-N-O. It's incredibly see-through. So, yeah, you can enter there. I don't know when I would use this in particularly. I do like purses and bags for sure. But with my makeup, they have their own stuff in sorting area. I have my own travel cases. For an everyday bag, I don't know why I would necessarily support your brand per se. I don't like that this is white and see-through. I don't need people knowing what's in my bag. And, if someone's trying to be sneaky and be a purse snatcher or some shit, they don't need to know what they're getting. Like, no, nuh-uh. Sorry. The box is a flop for me, guys. Like, honestly, between the nasty chemical smells, the weird separated makeup polish, which I'm not sure if it needs to be shaken, but as soon as I opened it, it was runny, and then I got another like chemically smell. Like, pass. Sorry, it's not approved. Please, no. I would not recommend. And I always try to find something really positive about makeup, whether it was the packaging or whatever. I take that back. The one thing I do like from them was the keychain. This box was one, that it has artwork. Two, that the keychain was impressive. I do like that it actually supported a cause. Negatives were definitely whatever the hell smell that was. Like, that was disgusting. This makeup stuff that clearly separated got onto the deodorant stick because it's all sticky over here, and this smells like hair care, and I don't like, you know what, let's open this one. Yeah, it's not the stick that melted. The deodorant is still completely intact. The deodorant itself was like deodorant. Other product leaked onto here. The fact that you would normally spend, you know, we're talking probably in the range of $40 to $50-ish per quarter on these boxes, and they're giving you Dove. Anything bad against Dove itself, the company, but I feel when you're spending this kind of money on quarterly boxes, you expect brands you can't normally go to the corner and pick up. You're expecting things like the keychains from Peru and Donna Karan, you know, DKNY, you know, Donna Karan deodorant. And this may not, like, I don't know her deodorant. I don't think this is going to be a full size, but it's also not, you know, those little like sample sizes where you get one use out of it. So I am really glad I got it on sale. That is absolutely 100% for sure. Would I ever purchase it again? Absolutely not. Would I recommend it? Absolutely not. That is a big no from me. Sorry, Spiritu. Maybe in a couple years, if you guys change your game, hard pass. So that's a big no from me. Alright guys, but if you liked my honest review, and dear God, I need to get that box out of here because it still reeks, and oof, we're gonna have to take a break and air out the studio because this is, God, I still feel like I want to puke. Okay guys, but again, if you like the video and you like my honest review, please hit that subscribe button below. Make sure to have your alerts set, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.